In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana on Jupiter Exchange. First, open your Phantom wallet or any other Solana wallet you use. Make sure your wallet is already set up and connected to the Solana network. You will also need a small amount of SOL for network fees, because every transaction on Solana requires a fee. Next, open the official Jupiter Exchange website in your browser. Be careful with fake links, especially from ads or random messages. Always double-check the website address before connecting your wallet. Once Jupiter opens, click on Connect Wallet and choose your wallet, such as Phantom. Your wallet will ask you to approve the connection. Review the website name carefully, then confirm. Now you can set up the swap. In the first token box, choose the token you want to spend. For example, you may use USDC, USDT, or another Solana-based token already available in your wallet. In the second token box, choose SOL, which is Solana. Then enter the amount you want to swap. Jupiter will automatically search for available routes and show the estimated amount of SOL you will receive. Before clicking swap, review the details carefully. Check the estimated SOL amount, price impact, slippage, and any fees shown on the screen. If the price impact is too high, it may be better to reduce the amount or wait for better liquidity. When everything looks correct, click Swap. Your wallet will open a transaction confirmation window. Read the details again, then approve the transaction. After you confirm, wait for the transaction to complete on the Solana network. Once it is successful, your SOL balance should update inside your wallet. Remember, Jupiter is mainly used for swapping tokens on Solana. So to buy SOL there, you usually need another Solana-based token already in your wallet. Always protect your seed phrase and never approve transactions from suspicious websites. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.